Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the new Robin micro FPV camera from Runcam. In this video I'm going to quickly go over its specifications, measure its latency, and then head outdoors and compare it side by side with the Foxeer Falco Micro, the Runcam Racer 2, and the Caddx Turbo Micro SDR2 Race Edition. The Runcam Robin features a 700 TV line CMOS sensor. It supports both NTSC and PAL picture formats, and shortly I'm going to show you how to switch between them. The aspect ratio is set to 4:3 and cannot be changed. In addition, you can get it either with a 1.8 or 2.1mm lens, and it's available both in black and orange. The Runcam Robin is also a pretty budget-friendly camera and costs around $25. Inside the box, along with the camera, you're getting a micro-size to full-size adapter, screws, and a 3-pin to 3-pin connector. And even though it supports an OSD control board, you don't get one, probably in order to keep the cost down. The weight of the camera is 5.64 grams, which is pretty standard for a micro-sized camera. Its back dimensions are 19 by 19 millimeters, and the distance between the back of the camera to the front of the lens is about 17.6 millimeters. Now, even though an OSD control board is not included with the Runcam Robin, you can simply connect your existing one in order to change advanced settings. So after connecting it, you can access the menu by short pressing the middle button, and then you can change all the settings using this menu, which I haven't seen before in Runcam cameras. So for example, you can change the white dynamic range settings, the white balance. Under function, you can also change the brightness, contrast, and etc. And you can also mirror the image horizontally, vertically, and both horizontally and vertically. You can also change the language between English and Chinese. And you can reset the camera settings to the default settings. As you can see through the camera settings, you cannot choose between NTSC and PAL picture formats. By default, the camera is set to NTSC, but if you would like to change it to PAL, you will need to power up the camera while shorting the ground and menu pins. So we'll need to just short it like that, then power up the camera. And after that, just unplug the short circuit, and the camera is going to be set to PAL. This settings is going to be saved, so if you'd like to switch it to NTSC again, you will need to repeat the same process. In case you wonder, this camera does not feature OSD, so you won't be able to display your signal name, timer, or the voltage of the camera or your battery. In order to measure the latency, I connected the camera directly to an FPV screen and then turned off the light in my room. The video was recorded at 240 frames per second, which means that every frame is about 4 milliseconds. So you can see after turning off the light, we can still see the image on the screen because of the latency. And according to my test, it took 5 frames for the screen to go completely dark, so I can estimate that the latency of the camera is between 15 to 20 milliseconds. The next thing I'm going to do is to head outdoors and test the Runcam Robin in different lighting situations using my new side-by-side comparison stand. By the way, in case you wonder, each camera is connected directly to a Runcam DVR. So I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.